All right, welcome to UC King Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how to create drop-down list in Excel, Microsoft Excel. My name is Uchena Kinsley. So in this video, we'll be looking at putting drop-down on this particular column D, and it's pretty much easy to do. So these are the names I generated using ChatGPT. They're just random names, 100 of them. And so what I want to do is to put drop down where we have this state. So instead of us typing manually the state, say maybe Abia, then having to make mistakes, it's good to select from having a drop down. So here I can no, I can put the list of the states and then I can create a drop down here. So very easy to create. So what you need to do is just select the cell you want to add the drop down in, and then go to data, go to data validation. So currently by default, what it allows is any value. So you can type in any value here. But what we want to do is to have a list of value, and then you you have to select the source of the list. So here I could just select this and then click on OK. So here I can select any of the state I want on that cell. So pretty much easy. Then if you want to apply it to the rest of the cell on this column, so we just need to delete this one and then drag it. Then you can select for any of the cell now on that column. So easy. So you can hide this column, or the best thing to do is to create another sheet, and then you can name it states drop down. Select this, cut, paste it here. Then you can go to data validation, your list, source of your list, instead of now selecting some group of cells within the same sheet. So you can now go to this sheet you've created and select all of them. Click on OK. And then you can drag it to apply to the rest of the cells. Then you have your drop down here. Pretty much easy. So you can now hide this one if you want. Hide, and still works. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, click on the like button, and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified on new videos that will be uploading to this channel. See you next time.